What's up, everyone? Welcome back to RamboTravels. Today we're headed to one of Seattle's most laid-back, sun-soaked spots, Alki Beach. If you're looking for coastal vibes, killer views of the city, and that beach town energy without leaving the city, you're gonna love this place. Come on, let's go. This lookout gives you an absolute stunning view of Puget Sound and downtown Seattle across the water. This would just be the perfect place to relax, catch a sunset, or just take a breather. And yes, good news, there's a parking lot right here. Super convenient if you're just stopping by for a few or if you're planning to stay a while. It does fill up on sunny weekends, but during the week it's usually pretty wide open. This place totally transforms depending on the season. Me and my husband got here pretty early in the morning, but as you can see, if it's nice out in Seattle, people will be outside regardless of the time. In the summer, it is very packed with people playing volleyball, grilling, and just hanging out with friends. This paved path is perfect for the biking, skating, or just a scenic stroll. Me and my husband absolutely love all the restaurants down here, especially Duke's. We did find out that they're actually shutting Duke's down, so we were pretty bummed about that, but lots of other options to pick from. And if you're not in the mood to walk, as you can see, there's plenty of transportation down here, lots of bikes and scooters as well. We went ahead and crossed the street and came across another bike rental shop. These were really cool. These weren't the electric bikes, but more old school ones. Here's just a glimpse of the rental rates. This is one of our favorite things to do, especially in the summertime when there's a lot more people out. We just like to walk past all of the fun little restaurants and bars and outdoor sitting areas and just people watch. It's really fun. Also, tucked away back in one of the neighborhoods off of 59th Street, there is a community center for Alki, which has tennis courts and a playground and a play area for friends and families to enjoy as well in the summertime. Thanks for tagging along, everyone. If you guys like this video, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and drop a comment if you've ever been to Alki or you have a favorite Seattle spot that we should check out next. See you guys next time.